I would like to say that I quit smoking cigarettes for myself, but I honestly did it for my daughter. Just realizing that she wasn't a baby and she was like a little person and was going to be a big person later. And how was that big person going to view me? Really start to put in a lot of questions of like, what choices am I making? What lifestyle am I living? And what lifestyle are they gonna live because of what I'm doing? There was a period of time whenever our daughter was first born that I was still a pretty heavy smoker. Newborns are really expensive and diapers are not cheap. And so like there was a day that I was actually contemplating not buying diapers because I needed a pack of cigarettes that bad. That for me was like, just disgust. I found it like you gotta take those kind of feelings and use them as motivation. I didn't want to be the dad who couldn't play with his daughter. To get real with it, I didn't want to be dead. That was a real concern for me. I didn't want to be that dad who died when my daughter was 12 from lung cancer because I couldn't quit smoking. And so it was definitely this kind of like, okay, if we're gonna be a family and have children and have a happy, healthy life, we have to do this, you know? It wasn't so much of a want to, it very much became a real need. If it wasn't for the Tobacco Helpline, I wouldn't have been successful. That's how much I credit them. It felt like someone was on your team, that you weren't alone, that in your moment of weakness, you had somebody to kind of help pick you back up and tell you can keep going. It's changed my life. And if you try, you can change yours too.